My name is John Rydal Ascomia. So, quick recap tayo sa kaninang ni-report na nuclear power plant. So, sa akin, kung ganito sa nuclear power plants, so nuclear power plants heat water to produce steam. So, the steam is used to spin large turbines that generate electricity. Tapos, nuclear power plant use heat produced during nuclear fission to heat water. So, ayun nga. Sabi, ang nuclear power plant daw ay naggamit ng heat water. So basically, a nuclear power plant operates much like coal-fired power plant. So yun, madalas na ginagamit nila ay di uling, ganun. So you heat the water in a boiler, so it turns to steam, and the steam is used to drive turbine to the generators that can generate the electricity. Yun daw sabi sa nuclear power plant. So sa akin naman, sa combined cycle power plants, dito are more efficient than other types of fossil fuel or nuclear power plant. So, ibig sabihin nun, sabi efficient. So, ibig sabihin, less cheaper. Less cheaper. They are cheaper to operate and produce much less pollution. O yun, medyo mababa sa pollution. Sabi. So, most burn natural gas create less than half the CO2 of the older steam cycle plants. Yun. Tapos, thanks for the next. What is combined cycle power plant? The type of natural gas plant used to generate electricity consisting of a simple cycle gas plant in combination with a second steam engine that uses the Rankine cycle. So, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, para sa akin naman, ang pinagkaiba nila ay typically large coal-fired steam plant burns about 10,000 tons per day of coal and results in about 2,000 tons per day of sludge that contains sulfur compounds, ash, and poisonous heavy metals. So, the sludge is dried and the residue is carefully buried. So, yun nga, pwede na nalilibing daw. So, a gas-fired combined cycle produce no sludge and no heavy metal poisonous. Mas maganda pala ang combined cycle power plant. Sabi dyan. Kasi, yun nga, ang gas-fired combined cycle produce no sludge and no heavy metal poisonous. So, hindi daw mapang-anib. So, the residue from nuclear reactor is very toxic and radioactive. The two key cycles are the Brayton gas turbine and Rankine steam cycles. So, the gas-fired combined cycles create only a few pounds of mineral residue per day from water treatment. Softeners, which coal and nuke plants also are create. So, all types create a few pounds per day and of a lubricant residue as well. So, a combined cycle power plant use both gas and steam turbine together. Yun, magkasama pala yung dalawa. Saksak nyo sa mga baga nyo. So, the gas turbine compresses air and mixes it with fuel that is heated to a very high temperature. The hot air fuel mixture moves through the gas turbine blades, making them spin. Yun, mag-iikot daw. Pag magkasama daw, naikot na daw yung turbine blades. So, the waste heat from the gas turbine is routed to the nearby steam turbine. So, napupunta pala to sa mas malapit na steam turbine, which generates extra power. Yun, nagbibigay pala ng enerhiya eh. So, these boilers are known as heat recovery steam generators. High-pressure steam from the boilers can be used to generate additional electric power with steam turbines, configuration called a combined cycle. So, Later on, we will tackle about the combined cycle power plant to get more information. Next.
Um, my name is Mateo Briones. I'm going to report how combined cycle power plant works. From the word combined cycle, may dalawang cycle tayo involved dito. Ito yung Brighton cycle and Rankine cycle. Sa Brighton cycle is a thermodynamic cycle that describes how gas turbines operate. And Rankine cycle is a mechanical cycle commonly used in a power plants to convert the pressure energy of steam into mechanical energy steam turbines. Sa Brighton cycle, ang keyword natin dito is gas turbines, while sa Rankine cycle is steam turbines. And dito sa ating pictorial diagram, I'm going to explain how combined cycle works. First is, para gumana yung ating gas turbine, kailangan natin magpasok ng clean natural gas. And dito sa gas turbine, mangyayari yung pagbaburn ng fuel. And once na maburn na yung fuel is yung exhaust heat na may lalabas nito is makakapture siya ng heat recovery steam generator. And yung heat recovery steam generator ay ipoproduce niya ito sa ating steam turbine. And once na yung steam turbine ay makakuha niya na yung high pressure steam na galing sa heat recovery steam generator is magja-generate na ito ng electricity. And sa steam turbine, meron ditong excess steam. And yung excess steam is i-deliver niya ito sa condenser. And sa condenser, mapupunta yung ating steam into cooling tower, which is i-reduce niya yung temperature ng ating steam na change into water. And yung water natin is mapupunta siya sa heat recovery steam generator. Next is, once na yung generator natin is makakapag-conduct na ng electricity, i-deliver niya naman ito sa transformer. And dun sa transformer is i-distribute niya na ito sa ating electric regional grid, which is ito yung nakikita nating tower sa mga probinsya na siya yung nagdi-distribute ng electricity sa bahay, sa school, and other building in the city. Next slide. Process on how combined power plant cycle works. Gas turbine is where fuel is burned to spin the generator, convert steam energy into electricity. HRSG, or heat recovery steam generator, is capture excess heat from the gas turbine and create steam to create more electricity. Generator, where mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Bus duct is which conducts generator electricity and going to transformer enable the electricity to send to power grid, in which is connected to schools, homes, and everything that needs electricity. Last is control room. Everything is monitored in control room. Sa control room is mahalaga ito kasi dito natin minomonitor kung maayos ba yung performance ng ating power plant. Kung may mga sira ba na machine, kailangan natin ma-check yun dahil pwede itong mag-cause sa performance ng ating power plant. Yun lang.